welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Today I'm talking about the array method every. Now this is a quite straightforward method. Basically what it does is it checks if every item in an array fulfills a certain criteria. So, for example, let's say that we have num array and it has 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very simple. Right? What we want to do is we want to check if every number is more than 0, right? Which it is. So the answer will be true. Yes. All right. So the way we would do this is we would either use a callback function or an anonymous function. So let's first write a callback function. Function check nums num if num is greater than 0, return true. Now another way that we could write this is using an arrow function, right? We could say let check nums equal num is greater than 0, right? There's another way to write the callback function. Either way, how we would then use this is to say, for example, console.log numarray.every check nums, right? And then this would basically run this check that it's greater than 0, return true, and if all of the items return true, this will log true. Now, if any of them come back false, or don't come back at all, I guess, as is the case if this one of them was 0, it would come back as false. Now, this is how you do it by defining a function to pass in, but we can also do it directly as an arrow function, an anonymous arrow function. So what we could also do is this. Console log numarray.every, and then we can actually put in here, what have I got here? Yeah, I've got a lot of brackets going on here. Okay. We could put num here. Num is greater than 0. So you could also just do it like this, and this would also work, except that I need one more bracket. There we go. So that's kind of how to use every to check if everything matches the same criteria. It's really that simple. You could put any criteria in here, of course. You could use modulo, you could do division, you could do equals, you could do greater than, less than, all these kinds of things. You could do absolutely anything in here. As long as all of them return true, every will return true. So I hope that helps you, and I will see you next time. Bye.